How to verify Cash App without an ID. Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video we are going to learn how we can verify Cash App without an ID, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, in order to basically verify Cash App without an ID, if you open up Cash App here and then you want to verify your account but you don't have an ID, your SSN or anything, unfortunately you can't verify your Cash App without those details. The verification simply means to prove to Cash App that you are a real authorized citizen of the country. That is why this verification processes exist. And if you don't have an ID, you can try to use a legal passport. It has to be legal document. Other than that, you can't use anything to verify your Cash App account. So hope this video helped you guys. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.